Here's a popular body style Camaro, unique, especially in classics, 1972 Chevrolet Camaro. Split bumper up front, as you can see. Now has a 454 residing underneath the hood. That's paired up with a turbo hydromatic 400 automatic transmission. The 454 under the hood is that of a 73 Monte Carlo or Chevelle, judging by the suffix code. Take a look at the front. Both bumpers, grille. As you can see, bright red paint, black stripes, nice looking combination always. Something else to remember is this car will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Also nicely equipped power steering, power brakes. And we'll get underneath that hood after I start it up, let you hear it run, check it out. But first, if you want to see still pictures so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, check out the trunk, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. 507-386-1726, as you can see, riding on the chrome rally style wheels. Black vinyl interior, center console. Does an aftermarket stereo that is in working order. Had the wipers working, horn button works. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course we can assist with transportation. You can see that paint almost looks wet on it. There's a few spots where it may have a little touched up chip or what have you, but overall, again, paint shows very well. Here's kind of what I'm talking about, maybe a little touched up spot. So even if you can see it or I can get it to show up, pretty minute, nothing major as far as nicks, dings, and scratches. And then of course, the 72, 73 body style from the tail end and those tail lights and chrome. Of course, the stripes continuing onto the rear deck. uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out the still pictures. Take your time looking through them, probably over 100 pictures of this vehicle online. You'll be able to see the trunk, like I said, undersides, interior, engine bay. Let's take a look from the rear to the front of the driver's side. Again, you can see the nice shine that paint has. Nice meaty tires. Let's take a look at the interior. First of all, door panels. You'll be able to see pictures of the undersides of the doors and the still pictures as well as the carpeting, the seats. And as you can see, really not much wear to the vinyl. The driver's side here. A few pictures of the back seats taken. Really every angle of this car, inside and out, top to bottom. Was originally a factory AC car when the 454 got transplanted in there. No more compressor, but just so you know, it was a factory AC car. Let's go ahead and fire it up. That cowl hood has been put on. That's to make room. Does have a little higher rise intake manifold on it. Edelbrock, and we'll check that out here shortly. First, take a look at the dash. Like I said, wipers do work. There's the horn button I mentioned, and radio. Little aftermarket cluster of gauges behind the horseshoe shifter. A little easier to see in person than it is in the video, unfortunately. Door closes nicely, and listen to this. Sounds good. Nothing over the top, obnoxious exhaust or anything like that. Just a nice rumble out of that big block. Get 454 power, and you gotta love these front ends. All right, I want to pause this. Let's get the hood open. Check out that engine bay. Look at the underside of this hood. Basically gloss black, so it really pops with the engine bay. There's that 454. Again, headers, HEI ignition, that Edelbrock intake, power steering, power brakes. There's also an electric pusher fan as well, your standard. And the switch for that electric fan is underneath the dash on the driver's side, kind of where your left knee would be. Nice looking engine bay with chrome dress up. Go to any of your local shows, local roll-ins, cruise-ins. Don't be afraid to have the hood open on this one. Wow. There you go, 1972 Chevrolet Camaro, split bumper. Included with the purchase, that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan may be extendable out to 10 years. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1972 Chevy Camaro. Got a nice cowl induction hood. Radio works. Our temperature gauge down here, aftermarket, is at 160, climbing. Oil pressure is idling at 45. And amps are charging. Very smooth. You can feel that engine's power. The only thing shaking in this car is the pistons. Turn signal indicators both work. We have a tachometer, factory tachometer that works, speedometer works. We even have a blower motor that works. And washers, wipers. Automatic on the center console. So very easy to drive, very comfortable. Lots of power there on tap. I'll go around this roundabout and hit the throttle one more time when there's a little less traffic. Easy to steer, power steering is great. Corners well.